So in the early 1600s, a decision was made. His body would be moved. In 1627, nearly 500 years after Norbert's death, members of his order reportedly opened his tomb as preparations were made to transfer his remains to Prague. What happened next became part of the legend surrounding St. Norbert. Accounts from the time claim those present were shocked by what they saw. According to the reports, Norbert's body was found in an extraordinary state of preservation, despite the centuries that had passed. Some accounts describe him as still clothed and remarkably intact. The story spread. To believers, this was evidence of sanctity. To skeptics, the claims were difficult to verify centuries later. But the discovery permanently shaped the reputation of St. Norbert and became one of the reasons his relics continued attracting pilgrims long after the Middle Ages had ended. His remains were eventually transferred to Prague, where they would remain for centuries
My
inside the
Sundays.
Strahov Monastery. And there, generations after generations continued visiting the shrine of the man once said to have
Potato
resisted
couch.
decay itself. Then came the modern era. Cameras, film crews, public ceremonies, and in 2020, nearly 900 years after Norbert's death, the shrine was opened once again during celebrations connected to the anniversary of the Norbertine order. Witnesses gathered, clergy surrounded the shrine, and once again people looked upon the relics of one of Christianity's most mysterious saints, a man whose story began with lightning and ended with a tomb that people never saw.
If you're sleeping in a position like this, you got to hear about this thing. Did you know your soft pillow is actually crushing your...
For sure, alam mo tong lugar na to. At ito, ang isa sa mga pangarap ng mga siklista. Pabisikleta mula Maynila. Mananatili na lang ba siyang mga pangarap para sa amin? At dito nga sa cafe namin sa Espanya, dito ko inintay si Tito John. Ang schedule pala namin dito, from Monday to Saturday, from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight.
Hello, Diva. Sa vlog. Gabi. Maraming barista. Ate, ay gara. Kapag yung asawa ni Tito Jun. Gaya ng nama. Andito na si Taguro. 5% pa lang. Kiss na si Tito. Kita mo Kita mo lang kasama dito. Sige na to. Ha? Bye-bye.
Nag-ride out na kami at papunta na ng Kilometer Zero para kitain si Kuya Ethan.
Yun o! Ang malakas na.
Mga upuan na sinauna.
Ayan, may kayamanan sa taas ko sila.
isda ulit. Meron kaming booking. Kasi sa Waze, niluloko kami ng Waze kung saan-saan kami pinadala. Kaya ang ginawa ko, sa booking ka, naman dito.
Cheers. Ten minutes.
Kaya kami na.
10 minutes.
Namatay na naman. Halos araw-araw ka na lang, may nakamatay. So, ilang minuto na lang, makarating na ako isang powerhouse ng mga aking ay makakasama. Pero nakakata ko na lang sa internet at yung kumano ng interest na 100 pesos per ako at saka ka na nakarating na natin 2 minutes na daw na lang tayo.
Right there. Being right to that extent on a ball fake. He was able to get back though because he's still on the shooting right there. Being right to that extent on a ball fake. He was able to get back though because he. Start spreading.
Ang init. Ay, nako, nanay. Nanay. I love you.
Ang tanong, kung pwede pumasok. Kung sa kabila tayo kayo. Pwede yan. Pasok tayo. So, nandito na kami. Malapit siya sa outpatient department. So, pasok na kami. Sila. Ito na. Laundry. Anong laundry? Dito ba yung entrance o doon sa kabila? Okay. Doon yata sa kabila na yung gusto nila. Sa kabila.
Daming baboy, nay.
Doon yata sa kabila. Hindi. Ha? Oo, meron doon. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa tirahan ng mga pangulo. So, try natin makapasok. Sana makapasok tayo, guys. At na-explore natin yung loob ng bahay. No.
Ang laki ng solar ng bahay ni Aquino. Grabe.
Hello po. Magandang umaga po. Tayo, pwede po bang bumisita dito? Dito po.
Sa akin lang, sa loob ng bahay, bawal mo na kung maaling sa pinag-ibalik.
Opo. Dito lang po sa
Basta
labas.
ang silangan ka sa terrace, no? Sige. Magkasaan kayo?
Occidental Mindoro po.
Ay, kalayo lang po kayo.
Nagpa-vlog po kami.
Sige. Ikot na lang kayo mo, no? Sige. Tali ko na yun.
Sige po. Thank you, Lai.
Sige.
Diyan mo na lang iwan. Hindi yata nakapasok.
Pwede ba ito?
Oo, pwede. Diyan lang. So, kasama pa din natin yung jowa ng ate ko na namayapa 2021. Ayan. Sa lahat ng viewers na patuloy na sumusuporta sa YouTube ng Mentorin yung Mangyan, mula Mindoro ay pinuntahan natin.
Here's how to go from $300 a month on AC to almost $0. We built this portable cooling system that can drop a room's temperature by up to 17 degrees in just 90 seconds. But power companies don't want you to find out about this. It's smaller